the Youth Commission provides high school students in grades 9 through 12 the opportunity to engage and learn about local government.
Everyone wants a seat at the table, and Castle Rock gives its teens and young adults just that. Town Council has established the Castle Rock Youth Commission, so our young residents have the chance to learn how local government works, share their perspective, articulate the needs of our community's youth, and help solve real issues affecting young people in our community.
It's important for Castle Rock to have a youth commission just so that their voice is heard, and we want teens to talk about what matters to them, and they just have such a great different perspective than us as adults, and so we need to take that into account.
Young residents on the commission have a chance to learn about local government and take an active role in community projects.
I definitely want to focus on mental health among youth in Castle Rock, activities for youth to get involved in, opportunities for youth to maybe explore college interests and other clubs after school.
The Youth Commission is just one of many ways for our youth to take part in town government and public safety. Including the Youth Commission, the town supports 6 programs that provide opportunities for teens to get involved. Teen Court helps teens learn how to navigate the justice system and hone their leadership skills. 2 other teen programs are centered around public safety. The police and fire departments both have Explorer programs. Police Explorers learn every aspect of law enforcement and assist officers at town events and community service projects.
So youth programs are a tremendous asset to the town and the department. It enables our youth to experience policing in a safe, secure environment that's also hands-on and engaging. It's a tremendous investment for the town and for the community, especially for the future.
Fire Service Exploring is a hands-on program that blends physical training and real-world learning. Fire Explorers receive training in firefighting, EMS, rescue operations, and leadership. The Teen Advisory Group, or TAG, works with the town's parks and recreation teams on activities for young residents of our community. The Youth Police Academy is an annual education and leadership program where participants work with law enforcement to find solutions for youth-specific issues. The hands-on experiences the teens are able to take away empowers them to take a more active role in our local government and community.
You can really learn the community, how your community works, and you can help community to be a better place.
I love working in this community. I love how the youth embrace this department, ask great questions, and challenge us to be better advocates for them and for our community.
The town's investment in Castle Rock youth is crucial because it gives them the opportunity to receive hands-on learning experiences that empower them to address local issues, develop leadership skills, and build the sense of belonging and purpose.